G'day there, my name's Craig from Plumbingwise, and this morning we're changing to Anode on a hot water system. This one's 7 years old, so I'm a little interested to see how it'll look. The manufacturers say 7 years, but in Western Australia our water's a little bit harder than elsewhere in the nation, so I expect not to pull a lot out. I expect to be fairly well worn. This is a new one. I'll just bring it in here. You can see a new one here. So we'll get started. I'm going to turn the water off to the hot water system, and I've got to relieve some pressure. So I'm going to pull this valve, and this valve's actually seized. So this hot water system probably needs the valve changed as well. So I'm going to ask the owner to turn on a hot tap just to relieve some pressure out of the hot water system. Then we're going to pull the top off and we're going to change the anode. Okay, so we've got the top off. We're just going to pull this anode out now from the top of this hot water system. It's coming loose, which is great because sometimes they can be a bit tricky. And let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What a beauty. So you can see the difference between the two. See, this one we've definitely got our money's worth out of. Possibly we're a little late. I mean, like I said, in Western Australia it's every 5 years they recommend. What may have happened, there may be a little bit of corrosion has started on the tank, but by putting a new one of these in, what will happen is, you know, it will aggressively attack the anode and the new anode, and hopefully it'll go a bit easier. The corrosion will go a bit easier on the tank. Turn it on to check. Everything seems okay. We've turned the water back on. The new anode's in, so we can put the top on now. As you can see, it's a very simple job. It's well worth doing, and you know, it will extend the life of your hot water system.